How to untag yourself from a post on Facebook. First, you want to go to menu section at the bottom of your screen. And you want to tap on gear icon at the top right of your screen. Right here, you want to scroll down until the very bottom and choose Activity Log. You want to choose your Facebook activity, scroll down again, and tap on Manage Tags. Right here, you want to choose Filters and select Categories and choose Posts and Comments your tag in, as you are only delete the post, not the photo. And here, you want to choose any of the posts and click Remove Text. Click Remove. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.